This is a 4K webcam with a 1 by 2.8 inches Sony sensor, 120 degrees wide angle, amazing specs, but so affordable. I can't believe it. Possibly the most budget-friendly webcam on the market right now. But is it good? Let's find out. Got the new drip from Angetube. They are 4K 30 FPS webcam. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. This is the front, this on the top, bottom is blank. Or is this actually the bottom? I guess so. Also this side and this side. So let's go. Paperwork on top, little remote and the webcam itself and a cable and also an adapter, and there we have it. To recap, you will get the paperwork, cable, an adapter, the webcam and a remote. So you will get an adapter, USB-C to USB-A on the other side, always good to have. Then right here a fairly long USB-A to USB-C cable right here, nice. Also a great looking remote. That's the back with the model, and also now it's active, a really cool remote. And lastly the paperwork, warranty card. That's the back right here with the socials, and then this guide right here and the back side with the specs as well. And then here we also have a detailed user manual, multi-language of course. Good stuff. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then also to a close overview. So here we have it, check it out, looking good. It is super light, this is a plastic case right there, but I don't have a problem whatsoever with this, as long as the video quality is good. But don't get me wrong, the quality is actually really nice. It's a great looking injection, great looking parts right there. Can't complain whatsoever. Looking pretty nice actually. So let's take a close look. So yeah, we have the swivel mechanism right here, huge adjustability, and this will also unfold like so. And then on the bottom we also have this little guy right there. Right here we have a sticky surface, but I will leave this on there for now. On the bottom we also have a thread. Then right here on the bottom of the webcam we have these air vents. Then on the back we of course have the USB-C port. On top we have the magnification glass and AI. This is what the sides look like. And then of course the front with stereo mics, noise cancelling, all that good stuff. And of course the camera, which is looking great. All in all, I really like the design. It's looking pretty good actually, especially for a price point. It's unbelievable. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. So here we go. Let's start with the pictures. Beautiful camera, beautiful design. It's funny they call it single player and multiplayer mode, of course with AI tracking and auto framing. And depending on the mode, the AI tracking will either focus on one person or on both of them, which is awesome. We have an amazing resolution, great colors, great details, amazing remote too. We have 3 presets for viewing angles, wide angle, medium angle and close up. Then we also have an HDR feature, that means high dynamic range. That means it can capture dark shadows and also very bright highlights. Thanks to the huge range, it won't blow out the sky in the background, for example. Latest USB tech, of course, USB 3, super fast connection. We also have noise reduction algorithms going, also an AI noise cancelling microphone. And there is also a dedicated software, and we will get to that in a second, which is really good. And now we have a few pictures of the actual box, but you of course already know what it looks like. First link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Here we have all the specs and then a more detailed about section right here. To recap, AI tracking and auto framing, 4K resolution plus HDR, AI noise cancellation, epic remote control, and of course lightning fast USB 3. And when you scroll down, there is even more pictures that will describe all the awesome features. Also the difference between 1080p and 4K resolution, noise cancelling microphones, different viewing angles, brightness control on the remote, zoom control on the remote, and also a kill switch for the sound and also for the video. Again, check it out for yourself if you're interested. And most importantly, great reviews. As you can see, most customers absolutely love this webcam, so check it out. Not bad, right? So next up, let's test it. So first of all, Angetube has great software that you can download for free. So up here, support download. Here you can also find the user manual, and you can also download the software for Mac OS and also for Windows. And when you're done with the installation, just open it up. It will basically look like a lot like OBS. So if you can handle OBS, you will also be able to handle this program. Here in the webcam section, just click on the plus, Angetube live camera, let's go. And when you double click it, resolution, let's select custom, and then we can pick the resolution. Let's of course pick 4K, match output FPS. Check it out, beautiful, crisp and clean, picture quality, great exposure, lots of details, and I haven't even turned on my studio light. And here you can also see the HDR effect. Right here, the window, it's super dark outside, but it's still grabbing the shadows, and it's also handling the highs quite well back here. And now, that was the studio light. The adjustment was super fast, but now it's of course considerably brighter inside, but the window's still looking great. All right, so let's move on. And then next up, we also need to check out the settings. Here we have the general, which is all right. Then we have the output. There we can set the recording path. We can set the recording format. Usually the default is MKV. I will have to pick MP4 for editing it. Then we can also set the audio track, the encoder, and we can also check the audio settings, that's fine. And lastly, for the video resolution, we can set the canvas and the output resolution. Of course, both should be 4K if you want to utilize the capabilities of the camera. The rest is fine. Click OK, and we are ready for a first test. And to give you a realistic demo of the capabilities of this webcam, I will use it for the rest of this video. So this is the raw video and audio quality of this webcam. Super handy, and we also have tons of features on here. Let me demonstrate. So first of all, we can switch in between 50 and 60 Hertz. I said we can mute the sound, and we can also, with the plus and the minus, zoom in or out. And when we're zoomed in, also with the joystick, we can set the framing. And with the button in the middle right here, with just one click, we can restore it to the factory defaults. Then we also have zoom presets. We have 3 presets. We have the wide angle, of course, like this. Then we have a medium setting for 2 guys, and then we also have the single person mode right here. Thanks to the huge 4K resolution, you can also crop in and you won't lose any quality. Pretty awesome. And again, with the middle button, you can restore it to the default mode with just a click. We can also turn off the camera. This will only turn off the picture, not the sound. And we can also set the brightness with the remote right here. Super handy if the audio adjustment isn't getting it right. And with this button right here, we can reset it. Okay, and lastly, we have the AI features. So the camera features AI tracking and also AI framing. And you have 2 buttons on the remote to activate it and deactivate it. So let me demonstrate. Let's activate it. And there we go, it's deactivated again. So let's start the tracking and let's see what will happen. Very well, very well. So lastly, as you can see, the quality, you can especially see it on the chair. It's so sharp and crisp. The quality is just amazing. And it is 4K. Check this out. This is just 1080p. And now that's 4K. So we have 4 times the resolution of a 1080p camera. And that's also the reason why the video looks so clean and crisp and sharp. And it also has a secret bonus feature because it also has HDR capabilities. So thanks to its wide dynamic range, it will get you right, even though the outside world will be way brighter, but it can also capture everything that's outside of a window without overexposing the highs. So a setup like this is of course optimal, but also if you're in a regular living room situation, for example, this webcam will also be able to handle it without any problems. So there we have it, great build quality and definitely a massive step up from their previous models. That's for sure, especially in terms of the picture and video quality. Amazing value for the price point. mind-blowing. It's absolutely mind-blowing how cheap 4K webcams have become nowadays. And I also didn't expect it to be this good actually. Great accessories as well, and all in all, definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.